How to apply for food stamps anywhere in the USA. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for food stamps anywhere in the USA, making sure you have the essential steps to get help. To apply for food stamps, visit your state's Department of Social Services or Human Services website. Most states offer online applications, and you can also apply in person or by mail. You'll need to provide information about your household income, size, and expenses. After applying, an interview will likely be required to verify eligibility. Now you know how to apply for food stamps in any state across USA, and you can start the process in your state today.